kalong ka jingkemen ba ka jing sarong ya ka nam ka kerteng jong ka rilum khasi penar barok ka wei lengba ka jingkhur usamla nongruai balong utrai muluk ya ka kerdan ba shakmat ha ka rinsan World Championship of Performing Arts WCOPA ar punriu ka balalong ha Las Vegas, United States of America. Udeu samla khasi penar latip kerteng kum usamla kit kupar nong sieng ubala syak pediang buram ha ka Don Bosco Media Network ha khandai lat shlong ha ka arp santarik unaitung ar punriu. Ha kani ka jingilang pediang buram lawan ban yadon lang uba PB War nong bri uba dei officer in charge jong ka Department of Sports and Youth Affairs ka kong Rida Hunlin Lendam senior coach DSYA uba Bobby Walang State Youth Officer lembat kikimi kikpa jong usamla kit kupar u director ka DBMN bat kipat ba.
Some people live for the fortune, and some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah, yeah, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that physical things define what's within, and I've been there before. The rides are born so full of the superficial, and some people want it all that I do, but nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people with diamond rings, some just want everything, that everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people say
Itu ki jengkeran pediang di jongpi. Aku meningkong ngesopan aimu yoblay ubala darakat ye hadu kene ke klipat ke pemerintah. Bat kumjuru ngesopan ai kublay i sapaya i sababi walang bat i mamrida ibala kibalaya dan dekat lang bat ni hakene ka no pha jong ke kesni ka jingdan jongpi ka pendap ke penkemen ne kemen
2 bronze and receiving the first place scholarship award is a remarkable accomplishment in itself. You have brought pride to Meghalaya. Pilawan lam yaka kei ke basngo tanat yaka jela jungi but ni kermen ba pindang ya ceprang ba pindang yai job ba pindang yai ra keburam ya kari pejabat pendiri jungi. Kit Kupar journey proves that talent, when matched with hard work and determination, can take a young person from a small village in Kinchi, in Meghalaya, to the international stage. We are especially proud that he participated in the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, which started long back in 2013, and he was part of the contingent which went to Indonesia, led by the Department of Sport and Youth Affairs. I think he also recently was part of the contingent in the Viksit Bharat in Srinagar, right? Yeah, congratulations again to you. We are very proud actually of him, including, being part of the renowned Shillong Chamber Choir. His success is an inspiration to every young person in our state. I would like to sincerely thank Kasturkan Oath, organized by the Don Bosco Media Network in collaboration with the Don Bosco Media Network Television and the Don Bosco Youth Center, for providing a platform that nurtures young talent. My heartfelt appreciation also goes to Father Michael Makri, Kubli Shibun Father, Ngatrai P. Pide Uwe Niki, ki Rishabh ki ba yalam nanti ban pen orlong kini ki kam bapher ka bantagi samla jungi. I also congratulate Kit Kupar's parents, Ba Iban, Simli, Marikong, Ba Iban di Batrish Tamlu Katata, not only in the music industry but even in sports. He is president of the Kho Meghalaya Kho Association. He is also member of the East and West Archery Association. Kalau pergi ke bas tenak ba Iban ba bat ikong ban ai min siem ni kun ba kin be ka thong ba ki kwa ban ngakin slori borok fat ki kimi ki paro ba kin buat ya ni ka tinjat ka ba nakaliang di ba Iban ba ikong ru kile. My appreciation extend to the people of Kinshi village for their warm send-off and unwavering support to every mentor, teacher, friend and well-wisher who stood by him. Kit Kupar, today you are more than a champion. You are an inspiration. Your success reminds every young person that dreams have no boundaries. With dedication, humility and perseverance, anything is possible. The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs remains committed to creating more opportunities for our youths to excel and represent Meghalaya on national and international platforms. Once again, congratulations, Kit Kupar. You have become a proud ambassador of Meghalaya, rich musical heritage. May God continue to bless you with wisdom, good health, and many more achievements in the years ahead. Thank you, Mithala.